Hi, Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in to Charlani TV. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I make the best popcorn ever. I will also put this recipe and the instructions down below, but you start off with 2 tablespoons of, I use organic virgin coconut oil, unrefined. Spectrum is just my favorite brand, so that's what I've got. I'm also using Pop Secret Jumbo popping corn, and what's really cool is that the lid itself is exactly half of a cup, which is just super convenient. So what you want to do is you want to heat up your oil, medium-high heat, as you can see, put 2 kernels in there, and then we wait for them to pop. It usually takes 1 to 2 minutes, and you can see it's not quite ready yet. And I was hoping I could catch it here and watch. Beware. Good thing that wasn't 3D, right? Once both your kernels pop, then you turn off the heat, take your pot off the heat completely, and you let it sit for exactly 1 minute. This brings your oil to the perfect temperature. Then you want to turn your heat to medium, get your pot right back on there, and then you're going to add in all of the rest of the popping corn. Now you could take those 2 popped kernels out if you'd like. I will warn you, they don't taste wonderful because all you've got in there is the coconut oil. We're going to make it taste yummy here in a minute. But it usually takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes for everything to start popping. Obviously, beware if you open it too soon, it is going to pop right out of there. And I will also warn you, don't try to grab those kernels in between the hot grates of your stove. It's literally like playing Operation, but with your fingers. Definitely not recommended. So what I do next is after a couple of minutes, you can kind of hear it still popping. It's been going for a little while. I always wipe the very top because condensation sticks up at the very top there, and you don't want your popcorn to be soggy. So wipe off some of that condensation. And when you hear about 2 to 3 seconds in between pops, that means that it is ready to go. You may have some extra pops here and there. That is totally okay, not a big deal. My favorite seasoning is Himalayan sea salt because you don't need a lot. If you use pink sea salt, it's like more bang for your buck. You need to use a lot less to get that salty flavor, and it is absolute heaven. This truly is the best popcorn ever, and you can season it to taste. You only need a few ingredients and it is good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments if you liked it. And if you've not subscribed to Charlani TV, I would love it if you did. Bye guys.